A clean cabin air filter helps keep dust, pollen, and other airborne irritants from entering your vehicle. It's best to change your filter regularly to prevent dirt and debris from entering your engine to help maintain optimal performance. You'll know that you need to change your cabin air filter when there's reduced airflow through your air conditioning system, excessive window fogging, or repeated bad odors. But even without these warning signs, your cabin air filter should be replaced about every 2 years or 24,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. So check your owner manual for your vehicle's schedule for when to change the filter. And in some cases, you might need to replace it more frequently, like when you're driving in areas with heavy traffic, poor air quality, or high dust levels. On the other hand, your engine air filter should be replaced every 12 months or 12,000 miles, whichever comes first. But these intervals may also change depending on the vehicle, the conditions you drive in, and how much you drive. You'll know that you need to change your engine air filter when you need to fill up your gas tank more frequently or experience reduced fuel economy, reduced power, and reduced acceleration, or when the check engine light is illuminated. And if your vehicle is equipped with an engine air filter monitor, you can check its remaining life and when it's time to be replaced. You'll get in-vehicle alerts when your engine air filter life falls below 10% or falls to 0%. Scroll through the Driver Information Center menu until you see air filter life. The display will show a percentage of air filter life remaining along with other status messages if relevant. To keep your cabin and engine air filters working as they should, always ask the GMC certified service experts at your dealership to check them during maintenance. You can schedule a service through the available My GMC mobile app, the in-vehicle app, or the GMC website. And for best performance, only use AC Delco GM Original Equipment air filters. Give your next ride a breath of fresh air by changing your air filters regularly, helping your vehicle stay at peak performance.